We are talking about our basic finger exercise, and we are working our right hand and we are working our left hand. With the left hand, we're really teaching our fingers to suss out the sweet spot in each fret, because you notice each fret has a different width. They're not the same. And I can't think my way through that. It's like my fingers have to deal with finding that little area in each fret where you get the sweetest sound. And it is closest to the fret wire. So, like right here, we're going to start in the third fret. When I'm going to put my index finger here, I can feel my index finger nudging against the fret wire, not sitting on top of it because I'll get that sound. But there's a spot right here that's sweet, like so. And I'm doing a little vibrato to just bring out a little bit more resonance in an instrument that's not very resonant. So this really teaches our fingers to suss out the sweet spot when we're making chords so that our chords are going to sound a whole lot better. Our right hand technique, there are lots of different choices. We're just going to work on one string. You can use your thumb to pluck down. That's absolutely fine. You can use a finger. You can also use classical guitar technique, which is what I like to do with this particular exercise. So I rest my thumb on the G string, and I'm going to use my index finger and my middle finger as if they are walking across the yellow pages. Remember that one? So I'm alternating. I'm not doing anything with my left hand yet. So I'm just alternating. So you may want to try this with me. You notice the movement is like this. It's not jerking out like this. It really is the fingers moving and the top of the hand very still, like that. So that's another technique you can use with your right hand that may very well come in handy when you're doing chord melodies or improvising. Why not have a whole bunch of options to choose from? So now this exercise is just four frets. Let me just show you, then I'll break it down. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Now, you'll notice I start off with my index finger on the third fret. Then I'm going to go to the fourth fret, but I leave my index finger down. So now I have two fingers down. Okay, ring finger goes to the fifth fret, baby finger goes to the sixth fret. So we're halfway through the exercise. I have all four fingers down. You'll notice that guitar players, ukulele players, when they're really going to town and improvising, they might have more than one or two or even three fingers on the same string so they can move with ease between notes. So this is a really good habit. And I think it helps us with finger individuation. It's because I love to say that word, individuation. So halfway through, we have four fingers down, and then we're going to release. One, two, three, four, and we're going to end up where we started. Always, always practice in tempo. So let's try it together. Two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Again. Now close your eyes and do it. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. And if you can do this just for a few seconds before you pick up the ukulele, I think it's going to take you into higher levels of technique and playing ease. And that's all we'll talk about today with this particular finger picking pattern, but there's lots that we can do with it, and we can talk about that next week.